ProTinkerToys.com. I want to show you some things that I've got here. I'm not going to do it on here, but I want to show you over in the table area. Okay, so now we're changing a lot of things because we're going to be moving, but right now I want to kind of give an air. Oh my gosh, my air compressor. That's our Grex air compressor. Okay, so we now have some new items for Scalextric. So this is the 8-pack for Scalextric, and I can offer these cheaper because I break these open and you can buy these 1 or 2 or 3 at a time, okay? And so this is item number C8554. Now this is the 5-pack, okay? But the straight track is just, you're just getting the straight. And the straight is, what is the straight track? 5-pack straights. Where are the straights? It's the C8507. 8507 is the straight track. So that's an item. So we're getting more straight. So that's the straight track. And then we also have these 3 new pieces. This is the Radius 2 Curve. This is the Radius 2 Curve, okay? Now this is what you call an outer curve, and then you have so these are all the C2 curves, okay? And you have a C1, you have C2, and then you have C3. Basically, these are if you take 2 of these, they make a standard curve. So if you want to do a weird layout and you just need a part of a curve, then this will help you do it. All right. Now, the other one then is the Radius 1 curve. This is the Radius 1 curve. This is like an inner curve. It's not an inner curve. This is the this is the Radius 1, and this is just a half of a full inner curve. Because you have inner, then you have outer, and then you have outer. So you can technically do 6 lanes with Scalextric or with any of the company. You always have the inner, standard, outer, and outer. So 8 lanes potentially. 2, 4, 6, yeah, 8 lanes. All right, and then we have another piece is the standard or half straight, and then the half straight, they call it the half straight starter grid. This is where a car would start from. I'm just showing you some new items that we've gotten in the way of track for Scalextric, okay? All right, now the most popular piece that I have for Scalextric is the converter track, which is here it is. Now these are the standard curves. I forgot I even bought these. I gotta listen to these. Oh my gosh. This is crazy, Ryan. This is radial, yeah, standard curves. Okay, so where did I put my, where did I, oh, here we go. Sorry. And you know what we should do is, we should have a drawing for this giant SCX poster. Maybe somebody can win this giant poster that I have of SCX. As a giveaway, maybe another one of your giveaways. No, you don't think so? Alright, so this is the next most part, is the converter track to go to the old Scalextric track, which is this track. See that crossover? Connects right to here. Not cool? And we're going to do a bundle here pretty soon. You're going to get, I think, 2 of these and a set of these, because we have this police or stock car challenge, but try oval. But you can't use it, or you can use it, but the car in the outside lane is always the slowest. But if you have some of these, you then can make the car 6 lanes. So, what are just some new items that we've got? or that we've had that people might not know we have. And so that's Brian Young, ProTinkerToys.com, ProTinkerToys.com. Don't forget to like us, hit the notification bell button. Hit the notification button. And have a great day. Goodbye.